So if you can see, it's right over there, and it's a huge lake. Right now, I think they're doing trials for a speedboat race or something. But if you see any boats in the water.
Yeah, they're doing them back over there.
Oh, okay. So here it is. Here's the big open lake. Here, Mom, get the camera stick so they can see up there.
True Southern accent here. Okay, so this. Okay, here is Guntersville Lake. The boat in the water over there. And then we're going across the bridge. Can't say much. So it's this one big gigantic lake from the Tennessee River. A lot of boating, fishing, bass tournaments here.
There's some more areas over here. And then the rest are just trees. Oh wait, no, there's a little bit more water over here.
Well, that's the boat ramp we went
Water. Maybe find Mimo over there. Somebody may have caught Mimo one time in this lake.
There's no clownfish.
No.
That's
Well,
a saltwater fish.
Here's some over here.
it's just one big lake.
A tornado came through in 2011, destroyed a lot of homes on the river, and on the lake, and a lot of trees. Not in this area. Oh yeah.
What? It was also in Huntsville too.
Yeah.
Went through Guntersville State Park.
Wasn't it like 11 tornadoes
All this
one day?
This area out here, there's a bunch of houses out here on this, they call it Buck Island. It's like a little peninsula sticking out in the water. There's a bunch of houses tore up on the edge.
It was 28 tornadoes in one day.
No, that was north of that.
In one county.
In Madison County.
Madison County, Alabama, 28 tornadoes on the ground in one day.
No. So it's like that day on April 11th, 2011, or April 27th, 2011, there was 136 tornadoes in Alabama that day. I think it was 247 people were killed. It was a bad day, needless to say. It hit a nuclear power plant over here, the other side of Huntsville, that they had to do emergency shutdown on the reactors, and the whole city of Huntsville, over 300,000 people, the whole city was without power for as much as a week and a half, but the whole city for like a couple days.
You couldn't go to the bank and get money.
Yeah,
you couldn't get gas.
It's like living in the
80s.
I mean, I don't know. It's like living in an ice
really.
age.
If you didn't have cash,
We had power in the 80s.
wow.
So it wasn't
Well,
like
that's
living
true.
in the 80s.
I'm just talking about you couldn't use your credit card. You couldn't use your debit
You
card.
mean 50s probably, Mom?
No, not even the 50s. They had electricity then too.
Well, it wasn't not electricity. I'm talking about using plastic on stuff, credit cards, debit cards. You had to have cash.
Well, most places weren't open anyway, so it didn't matter.
Yeah.
You know what the funny thing is? What we had to do for doing baths and showers, we had to set a picture, like a whole big giant pitcher of water in the sun so we could take a shower at night.
Yeah.
Did we?
Yes, we did.
I remember being in was it Lowe's or Home Depot till 3 o'clock in the morning for a shipment to come in to get a generator.
Home Depot, but that was all the way up in Tennessee though.
Oh yeah. We
Up
had to
in,
go to Tennessee.
Up in Tullahoma, Tennessee.
We had to go to Tennessee to get gas and food and go out and eat and everything else.
So from Huntsville to Tennessee, that's what, like 3 hours?
No, it's only about an hour.
Oh.
Yeah, because
we
Huntsville's
lived-
North Alabama.
When we lived in Huntsville or lived in Madison County,
and Newmarket.
we were only 12 or 15 miles from Tennessee state line. So it wasn't like a long way.
The major thing that Alabama's known for is just the randomless storms that come out.
And that was the day that everybody remembers that it hit Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Yeah,
And,
that's where a lot of people were killed.
Yes.
Probably the biggest majority of the people in one area killed was in Tuscaloosa. I don't know. I think 30 or 40 people killed in Tuscaloosa.
It was a very scary day from 5 o'clock that morning until 8 or 9 o'clock that night. You just never know when a tornado just drop out of the sky.
And here you are laying in bed. You say, if
Oh.
the storm gets me, then so cares. Or so
The
what?
boys got up at 5 o'clock that morning and put baseball helmets on.
No.
Bicycle helmets.
No. We didn't. You did.
You did.
You did.
I stayed in the bed and I said, if it's my time to go, it's my time to go.
You went to work. What are you talking about?
No, this isn't before I went to work. They got up and woke me up at 5, and they had their bicycle helmets on in the bathtub.
I swear, we did not have our helmets. No, you put them on. You told us to put them on.
Well, I did. Okay, I probably told y'all to put your bicycle helmets on and get in the bathtub. I'm still laying in beds, and if it's my day to go, it's my day.
the reason you told them to put their bicycle helmets on because
The
in
roof
tornadoes, in tornadoes, most people die from head injuries. So that's a good piece of advice if you're ever somewhere that,
Thank you, Dan Satterfield.
you know, in a tornado, your head is one of the things you need to protect most. Because head injuries is what most people die from in tornadoes. So kids, bicycle helmet, baseball helmet, any kind of protection, a motorcycle helmet, any kind of head protection is good for if you're going to be caught up in a storm. So that's why our kids always put their bicycle helmet on.
And we also had pillows in the bathroom.
We had a weatherman that always told kids, if you're home by yourself, get your bicycle helmet or your baseball helmet or football helmet or whatever and put it on and get in the bathroom, smallest room of the house, in the center of the room.
Center of the house.
Where you have the most walls to hold the roof up off of if something happens. So that's why you have bicycle helmets. That's why they put your bicycle helmets on.
Just in case we had to stay overnight in that room, we brought a bunch of pillows and blankets.
We should stop by the water fountain. Where was that? Coming out of the mountain.
What are we doing?
We already passed it.
Dude, is the ice cream shop coming close?
Yeah, somebody's there. Yeah, really.
Can we go stop there?
If we get there. Alright, turn off.
Yeah. Here it is. The place I was just talking about. Alright, let's go. Pretty much a clutter of stuff. Oh, there's upstairs, I bet. Some type of wedding things up there. I've been here so many times I forgot what's here. How'd she get back? It's creepy in here. Huh. Whoa. Kind of look all the same. They kind of look all the same.
There's all the craft stuff in here. We're across the street from the Cathedral Caverns. Underground cave. If you need something country, here, this is where you will come. She got all the lights on. What? One is good. Oh, he asked me how many scoops of ice cream. We come here for the ice cream. Bluebell. We love Bluebell ice cream. Can't get it in a lot of states. I think this is all the stuff they've killed here. I don't know about these bears. Alright, let's see. Where we at? Well, this is Grant Mountain. I think we're right. We might be right here. Where's Cathedral Caverns? Alright, you go up through here. What? Right here. No, I'm on this, looking at this map right here. I don't know where we're at. On the map. Here, come get it. What? Oh, come on. There's all the Alabama stuff.
Take your Mitch.
You want to be on our YouTube channel?
Here, hold it.
Hold what?
Huh?
We have a YouTube channel.
Here, hold it.
Oh,
We're videoing your place.
all right.
What's it called?
Kennemer Cove Trading Post.
Kennemer Cove Trading Post. Oh.
Whoops.
Oh, wait.
Make it safe.
Alright, so there it is, the ice cream shop, which I remember. Oh, what did you say?
That, do you want a birthday pool party?
Yeah.
Well, if you have one, it'll be today.
Well, what about next time we come back?
We'll bring our boat in and we'll be
on the lake then.
Yeah. That Saturday they're supposed to be on the pontoon boat with us, so today's the only pool party you're gonna get. So we're gonna buy you a cake and you're gonna have a birthday party at Sharon's.
Okay.